But we should take a break and just bring things down a little bit. We have John Sheldon coming up next. John and I were at Standing Rock at the same time during Thanksgiving of 2016, although we never knew it because there was 10,000 people there. We both were in ceremony together at Ochete Shakaween. And because we were there at Ochete Shakaween camp in ceremony, we are now related in that way. I got to know his music. It's just so beautiful. His music alone tells incredible stories, even without lyrics. John Sheldon is in his 50th year of writing songs, collaborating, composing music, and performing his unique, beautiful style of telling stories through electric and acoustic guitar. So here is a clip of John talking about his time at Ochete Shakaween camp and performing Water is Life songs from Standing Rock. Thank you.
My name is John Sheldon. I had prepared something to say, but I'm going to change it right now because I realized something as I'm standing here on this ground. My ancestors, I've traced them back to the mid-1600s in this area. Most of them came from England and Wales. If you go to Old Deerfield, you can visit the John Sheldon House. My ancestors were alive in this area when the massacre here took place. So I would like right now to offer my heart to this place in reconciliation. I do not know how my ancestors participated. I don't know how I would find out. But I'm here, and I would like to offer that as reconciliation. What is in my heart, which is nothing but love for all of my brothers and sisters who have lived here and are living here now. You know, it's Standing Rock. We ask the question, when we go home from this place in the Dakotas, what do we do? And the answer came back, the answer that I heard was, find your prayer to the water. Because that prayer was about the water. And so since then, I've spent a lot of time sitting by streams and rivers and creeks, swamps, and opening my heart and feeling the mutual respect and reverence. Now, it's nice to open the heart, but when you open the heart, you also open to the pain of the desecration. So I really have come to realize that in order to bear that pain, I need to be in community. I need to feel other people that are with me. And because I'm kind of a loner at heart, that becomes difficult sometimes, but I will share this song to honor the prayer that we all can be part of. Water is life. cut off and aloof. We lost sight of nature's truth, and we poisoned our water without knowing what we had done. Now, somehow, the shiny plated God we had prayed to and obeyed was melting in the sun. We looked around at each other. We did not see the other, only sister and brother. And we knew then we were one, protectors standing with no weapons in our hands and with only scarred lands to hear. Somehow we sang, we live under the same sun, we drink the same water. In water we are one. We live under the same sun, we are of the water. To the water we return. Song I heard, something I remember, something from a long time ago. A gathering of ancestors, red, white, black, yellow, brown, standing in a circle. A light rain coming down like ancient wisdom, falling from a star, telling us a story, who and what we are. And each one held a cup, and each one held it up, and every cup was filled, not a drop was spilled. And we live under the same sun, we drink the same water. In water we are one. We live under the same sun, we are of the water. To the water we return. Thank you.
Oh, that's so beautiful. In water, we are one. Thank you so much, John. It's always an honor to hear your words and to listen to the music in your soul playing on the strings of your guitar. Thank you so much.